Hi, sweetie pies. I'm here to talk to you about your patterns today. I'm going to try and make this short and sweet so that you actually watch the video. So this is available to you on Google Classroom anytime. Um, so we are making house sculptures, and this is for minimums. So this is if you don't want to do anything real jazzy to it. You're just going to make like a basic four-sided box. But you have to remember that you can do like two boxes together, in which case you'd have kind of like a three-sided box coming off of a four-sided box. There's lots of different options. There's lots of different strategies. This is a plain Jane sort of thing, but that doesn't mean that you can't get really jazzy with your designs. You can get funky houses. You can have asymmetrical houses. So just, it depends on what you want, but the design patterns that you're going to make are really, really important because the design happens now, the building happens later on. Okay, so you're getting all of your thought process out. So this is a four-sided box. You have side 1, side 2, side 3, and side 4. Side 1 and side 3, because they're parallel together, those are going to be the exact same size. So in my case with my patterns, I made this a different dimension. I have a 5-inch by 5-inch piece of paper. I wrote down that I'm going to cut 2 of these because I need a side 1 and a side 3. So this is just a square. You could have a rectangle. It doesn't have to be really all that exciting. Okay, the side with your rafter, the rafter is your triangular top here. So we have a side 2 and we have a side 4. These, because they're parallel, those are going to be the same shape, same dimensions. Okay, so your side 2 and your side 4. In this case, I made it a new pattern. This is, so what I did was I took a 4-inch by 5-inch rectangle. The reason why I used 5 inches is because then it would match. If you see, I'm putting my pieces together in a corner, and you can see that they match right at that angle change, which is really important. Okay, so what we have here is my rafter. If you notice, I also wrote cut 2 on there. Okay, I have no idea if this is going to be written backwards or not in on the video, so it'll be interesting. You can laugh at me then. The bottom is definitely the most complicated. Okay, so let me tell you what the bottom does. The bottom takes the width of your side 2 and your side 4. Okay, in my case, the width was 4 inches here. Okay. So the width of your side 2 and your side 4, and then also the width of your side 1 and your side 3. So in the case of side 1, that was 5 inches. So what we have here, and I'm going to kind of show this to you, if I take my angles and put them together, but then I flip it so that you see the bottom, okay, you can see how I would make my rectangle dimensions. Okay, so basically you're just going by your widths, and then you're going to make a rectangle if it's a four-sided box. So right here I have a 4-inch wide by 5-inch long rectangle, and that's how you do your patterns. I hope that you make them. They are yours and yours alone. Don't share them. And then what you're going to do after this is you're going to get a slab and you're going to cut out all of your pieces. And that's another video. I'll see you later.